Yeah, I want to wrap up the session today this way. We started with what is science, where is science, and how can we catch the science. Okay, so help you all to understand science in a most practical way. I'm trying to help your syllabus book knowledge to the outside world, how it works like. That's what I told you. Like, science in kitchen, science in somewhere tomorrow, science for humanity. Note down, note down. You, those who wanted to work with me, they have to come up with this kind of subject knowledge. Science for humanity. Note down, science for humanity. Very important. Science for humanity. We need to develop science for humanity. We need to work science in a various sectors as well. So we shouldn't separate physics or biology or a chemistry or whatever way. No, we all will try to help together so that we can work science, all the parts of science, so that we can find solutions. So what exactly I wanted to say to all of you, how can we make science as a solution for today's problem? So I wanted to run a challenge between our school students, like Laurels. Okay, you're all my Laurels. So this school I'm very much connected, and I'm not very far for this school. So I wanted to be always very much closely available to all of you. It is you to work with me in that good, and I'll take directors for permission, principals for permission to be there in connection. As long as you wanted to do anything, you can take the WhatsApp number and then always try to send a message or the question. We'll work together, communicating together through our school app, whatever, or through the email and all. Doesn't matter. But make sure you will visit the scientificstudents.com website and then go through all the resources, what all the things I've shared with all of you. And what else I wanted to tell you for today, like this corona effect. Okay. Now, what we need to do, because can we contribute something to the corona, because like you are all students, very clever students, can we develop some solutions? Can we develop some solutions? Very importantly, because there are so many problems. I wanted to help you guys, so that because the world is looking for the solutions to face and the fight the corona, okay, that COVID-19 thing. So today's my exercise to all of you is, what is virus and what is bacteria, and why people are not finding a solution to face this COVID-19, the virus, okay. So how do we grow ourselves to understand at school level itself, and what are the solutions, chemical solutions we can develop, so that they can be well controlled, all this virus well controlled in our town place, our home place, our school place. Because how long we sit together, sit at home, this lockdown condition, I'm not happy. But somewhere, somehow, because of the thanks to technology, science and technology, at least helping us to connect this way during this lockdown times also. But I wish this kind of sessions will go for every school. But anyway, our school is very closely connected. That's why what we do is, we'll talk to our director and make sure this kind of sessions are set up again and again, so that we work together continuously as long as we, okay. Now, another most important point what I wanted to talk about, once again, I will share one particular my website link, because you remember we all celebrated in our school the solar lab, one day was solar workshop. So we celebrated making the solar lamps and all whatnot. Very huge, massive activity we did on that day of, I think, 26th of October somewhere. We did very nicely. Yes or no? How many of you are there? There in the workshop, solar workshop? Okay, 1, 2, 3. Okay, let me go to other, much more practical knowledge. So I'm keep on developing. Every day, 15 hours, I'm working for all of you to develop the content, okay, so to be shared with all of you. So we'll work together during this lockdown time as well, during the holidays. If at all lockdown is removed, and then we'll in a school or wherever, we'll also conduct workshops and learn by doing, okay, hands-on activity, we'll conduct that sessions as well. Now, right now, what best I suggest, scientificstudents.com/circuitlab.html, right now, scientificstudents.com/circuitlab.html. Shall I share the screen? Circuitlab.html. Okay. So you will come to this screen. Why is that I ask you to come to this screen? Because here, there are so many videos already recorded and placed here. So I request all of you to watch all these videos. You will have wonderful knowledge. Okay. And also
Yes,
you can go to supporting videos. Click on supporting videos.
sir.
If you want to understand all about electricity, click on here. And I've selected
Okay,
some very good electrical videos from the YouTubes, and I've placed them linked here. Okay. So you can
sir.
do that. And all these particular areas you can make use of well. And also I wanted to take you to another most important because I must thank our director sir for giving me an opportunity to serve you all for the solar lab thing. So what you do, scientificstudent.com slash solarlab.html. Click on that. Okay, write down this, very important. Scientificstudent.com slash solarlab.html. Solarlab.html. Can you see this? I highlighted here. Can you see this?
Yes, sir.
Scientificstudent.com slash solarlab.html. If you type that one on your computer, then you will come here. Can you see? Here is a student solar ambassador workshop at Laurel High School, Rajahmundry on 21st October. Sorry, I said 26th, but it is on 21st October 2019. So you are some students of our Laurel High, they are all there. Okay. So we all very nicely enjoyed. But I want all of you to write down the questions of that workshop on that day. And after that, no one wrote me any feedback letters or any, questions of that particular session. There is one small boy in between. Can you see them? The small boy, 5 years kid at the time, his name is Charvik. Okay. Yeah. He has come there. He helped us. Okay. He is also online and watching us our program, and he will come back again and help us later. Okay. Now you all know if you click on this particular link, no, if you click on that particular link, then I have uploaded all the solar lab photographs of our Laurel School here. Okay. Then you can see all of the photographs here. Okay. So can you see all of these photographs of solar lab conducted in our Laurel High School?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So you all can enjoy all of them. Okay. Don't think that you are on lockdown and you are kept at home. And I don't want any of my students have a problem. Okay. So these days, okay, let me stop sharing 2 minutes also, but wrote down the next important. So last but least, what I wanted to share with all of you. We are all working together. If we work together, we win together. Note down this point very importantly. We all work together, we win together. So don't think that till the next session comes on, don't think that I'm away from you, but make sure that you will work for developing the content required. Okay, whatever activity is given to you, you all have to work on that. In between, even before the session, if you want to communicate, take permission from our principal sir. He will arrange the connection between you and me. But make sure you all are working together. Take that it's a challenge, not that it is pressure that we are all sitting at home. No, not at all. It is a given opportunity for all of us. Okay, my dear friend. So let us prove. Let us make use of our time and make sure that we will become a solution providers. Okay, and share the solutions to Department of Science and Technology. I am connected with them. They are ready to take our solutions. I will work with all of you to help you to solve the problem. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So shall we close down? Shall we close down today's session? So you all are ready with the questions. Ready? So much of stuff already made. Okay. So I shared the videos and I gave you some questions. I request all of you to raise such kind of question. Keep observing wherever you can. Find out the questions. Okay. Write down and send me the questions. And then I will prepare answers for all of those. Okay. And I will. Okay, and another most important, one more important point I wanted to share with all of you. So observation is very important. Okay, observation can be anything. Idea can be so small, doesn't matter. Note down this. Idea can be so small. Write down. Idea can be so small, doesn't matter. Question can be anything. Question has got no definition, my dear friends. Question can be anything. Okay, question has no definition. No one can say this is a good question, this is a bad question. Question has got no good, bad. Questions are always questions. Okay, but idea can be so small. One idea can change the whole universe. See how advanced countries are suffering with no solution there. Lakhs of people are dying there. Yes or no? It should not be the case. We are all human beings. Okay, we must work together. We must together. Let them be the people from Israel, people from England. Let them be people from USA. Doesn't care. We need to provide solution for everybody. We are all human beings. Yes or no? We have to help together. Understand this very importantly. So that is only possible. Children work right from school level. If they understand science in a most practical way, they can become a world-class scientist. So scientists, last question today. Who are all the scientists? Hey, who are all the scientists? Write down who are all the scientists? Who is a scientist? Write down this question. Who is a scientist? From where a scientist come from? From where a scientist come from?
Again.
Okay, you all need to write all these answers to me. Okay, how will you send your answers to me? I don't know, but make sure that your principal sir or dean madam have my contact details. Okay, they will give you those who are. But I want to make sure all of you. Okay. So today near about 75 students participated in this session. Yesterday I did a session for 355 students. Okay, but today so we have to make this session very bigger. Okay. So anyway, I think we are all done for today. So all the questions are given.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, okay, no problem. Now raise your hand those who have a question. I want to answer few questions. No, that electronic thing. Raise your electronic thing. Raise hand button is there. No, click the button. Then I will see who is raising the hand. Then 1 second. Mohan Vamsi. Who is the Mohan Vamsi? Mohan Vamsi. Yeah, I have unmuted you. Mohan Vamsi. What is your question, Mohan Vamsi?
Sir, why can't bus?
Okay.
Yes, sir.
All the best.
Yes, sir.
Take care. Shall I close the session down?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
See you soon. Okay. See you soon. So enjoy the time. Enjoy the time.
Yes, sir.
And don't get disappointed because of the lockdown times at all. Okay. Don't get disappointed. And have more energy. Have more energy. Okay. And read the books. Read the books. Listen to the music. And enjoy your time. Prepare questions. Send those questions to me. Okay. You want to see all the books of mine? How many of them are there? You want to see? Next time. Next time. Okay. Next time. Okay then. All the best. Shall I close down the meeting? Okay.
Sir.
Bye-bye to all of you.
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir.
Thank you,
So I
sir.
hope you all enjoyed today's session.
Yes, sir.
I hope you all enjoyed today's session.
Sir.
Yes, sir. Bye, sir.
Okay, see you. See you work together. Work together. See you work together. All of you.
Thank you, sir.